Okay, so I got all that other cleaned out and I'm letting it dry. So the best thing on the other one, it had like a hard plastic shell all the way around it, and there's really no way to tap into the positive without cutting a hole or whatever. I didn't really want to do that. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to pull these pins out and I'm going to solder this onto the pin. So there's a conspiracy going around with girls and their little hair clips, and they're always wondering where they're going. And what's happening is it's actually going out to the husbands because they're using them out in the garage. Because this makes a perfect little tool to come in here and pull this out. There it is. There's a little plastic pin looking thing. There we go. Now, like I said, what I'm going to do is, these have already been tinned, meaning they already have some solder on the end. And I'm just going to add it to that. Oh, while I'm in here, I can show you this. I got that all put in. This is in there. I used some RTV silicone. The piece that I cut out, I just laid right next to it just to put some extra strength on it, I guess. Okay, now I guess this will work, right? Let me go get that so I know what side to put that on. But while I'm at it, I'll put all this back. Alrighty, so there we go. Okay, before I snapped it on, because it was a pain in the butt. power. Alright. I see the powers. So let's go ahead and well, there we go. So now the kids can sit back here. Oh, now the kids can have their power adapter for whatever. And let's make sure we still have power to that. That'd probably be a good idea. Turn this back on. So got that on voltage. There we go. Sweet. So got power there, got power there. Well, there you go. Now the kids, they can plug in whatever power adapter they need, but they can also, whenever they get cell phones, they can charge their cell phone, they can charge their iPad, their iPod, just whatever. So cool. Alright, so that was kind of a little bit more pain in the butt than I thought it would be. But we'll do, we have to do this one. Where'd that one go? Yeah, we'll have to do this. What I'm thinking with that one, I think I might just cut this cord and extend it to wherever I need. And then inside here is going to be your fuse. This is a 7 amp fuse. So we'll put in, I don't know, we'll probably do a 10 amp fuse just because you should always go down, but you should never go up. But the way I see it is if that blows out, then it's going to blow this out. It's not going to mess with, because I'm going to put it on a 10 amp fuse over there, so it won't mess anything up from that way forward to the car. It'll mess this up. So, and these are fairly cheap. There you go. That's how I installed dual USB ports in the back of your car. And you could do it up front too, but you'd have to find an adapter or a power thing. So, all right, y'all stay tuned, and I might do a little review on this car and kind of tell you the pros and cons of it. So far, I really like it. So, we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Y'all comment, rate. See ya.